This is how we add or subtract using fractions. If we have the fraction 3/4 minus 1/3, my first step is to check for common denominators. Here I have 4 as a denominator and 3 as a denominator. Therefore, they are not the same, and I will need to find common denominators using the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. So I start with a list of the multiples of 4 and a list of the multiples of 3. 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. For 3, it is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 18. And I can already see I have 12 in both lists. Therefore, 12 is the least common multiple. So I'm going to use that least common multiple as my new denominator for both fractions. Now I need to make 1/3 and 3/4 into equivalent fractions with 12 as their denominators. I do that by multiplying or dividing by a fraction of 1. I think to myself, 4 times or divided by what will give me 12? And the answer is times 3. This has to be a fraction of 1 that I use, so I'm going to do the same thing on the top. 3 times 3 is 9. I do the same thing for my 1/3. 3 times or divided by what is 12? And it's times 4. Fraction of 1, so I have to use the same number on the top. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I add or subtract my numerators. 9 minus 4 is 5. Keep same denominator. Denominator is 12. And then I simplify using the GCF. The GCF of 5 and 12 is 1. Therefore, I know that I have simplest form of the fraction. That is how we add or subtract fractions.